Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Selenium WebDriver is a powerful tool for automating web browsers and is widely used for web testing. Installing Selenium WebDriver globally can be beneficial as it allows you to use it across different projects without the need for project-specific installations. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to install Selenium WebDriver globally along with code examples in Python. Ensure that Python is installed on your system. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website, Python Downloads. Open a command prompt or terminal and use the following command to install Selenium WebDriver globally using pip. This command installs the Selenium package, including the WebDriver components for various browsers. Selenium requires browser drivers to interact with web browsers. Download the appropriate browser driver for the browser you intend to automate. Here are the common ones. Download the driver and place it in a directory that is included in your system's path. Create a Python script with the following example to test if Selenium is working correctly. Save the script as selenium_example.py. Open a command prompt or terminal, navigate to the directory containing selenium_example.py, and run the script. This script should open a browser window. Navigate to https://www.example.com, perform a search, and then close the browser window. By following these steps, you have installed Selenium WebDriver globally and created a simple script to test its functionality. You can now use Selenium in your projects without the need for project-specific installations. ChatGPT.